At the start of every year, we set new goals and make lists of past successes and changes needed. This applies to digital marketing trends too. To keep up, marketers must constantly reinvent their approach, especially in highly competitive areas like search engine optimization, SEO. So, how can we stay ahead in this fast-changing field? Hi, my name is Donnie and I'm a strategic account manager at White Shark Media. And I am delighted to share with you the latest SEO trends of 2023 so that you can maintain your position as a leading competitor in this field. All right, let's dive into the first trend. Guide your audience through the double EAT experience. Expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, also known as EAT, should be familiar to those with experience in this field. In December 2022, Google announced a new addition to this standard, incorporating experience to evaluate the relevance and helpfulness of search rankings. This trend towards enhanced user experience means that 2023 SEO strategies should focus on building strong relationships with audiences at every marketing funnel stage while adhering to EEAT standards. In a few words, it's crucial to convey a positive user experience on your site, demonstrate your expertise, provide authoritative information, and instill confidence that your offerings meet the needs of your audience. 2. AI and machine learning are allies, not replacements. One thing about high-performing SEO is that content is always king. Without content of any kind, how could you share the valuable information people are searching for? Due to human nature, we've developed methods for making daily tasks easier, including content creation for SEO optimization. It is no surprise among 2023 SEO trends, we have access to helpful artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning tools for writing. However, there is a delicate line between using these features for support and completely relying on them, forgetting about the human perspective. Leaving all the work to paid or free tools for creating content takes the soul out of what we do, and Google's algorithm knows that. AI content will not only bury you in the deepest part of search results, but it will also damage all the factors mentioned above. If you want to know how to utilize these tools in your favor, stick to the following tips. Use AIs for creativity blocking, make topic brainstorming, and analyze competitors' research. 3. Page speed matters. This year, the web search experience is still on top of the comprehensive SEO checklist. As a matter of fact, Google has indicated that site speed is one of the signals used by its algorithm to rank pages. Some simple but effective methods to boost the speed of your website are CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files that are more than 150 bytes should be reduced. Remove spaces, commas, and other unneeded characters from your code. Reduce the amount of time spent waiting for the HTTP request response cycle. Be cautious when using blocking JavaScript. Use content delivery networks, CDNs, to spread the load of delivering material. 4. Number 1 is not always the best. You may have heard that ranking at the top of SERPs is the ultimate goal for SEO experts, but this belief is now being questioned. According to a study, Google's organic search results receive only 33% of the website traffic. This means that focusing more on your click-through rate efforts is the key to ranking higher among all those ads, question boxes, and snippets. 5. Website authority through link building. Link building is an old-time friend with off-site search engine optimization. This shall remain the same on 2023 SEO trends. Let's look at some examples. Finding articles or landing pages on your website linked to low-performing sources could indicate why you do not have the results you expect. Linking to those pages will only classify your website as a non-relevant or not authoritative environment. On the other hand, an article or a web page linked to authoritative sources correlated to your industry will differentiate you from your competitors in the eyes of search engines and gain long-term interaction with your readers. An equally important part of link building is backlinks. They help search engines understand how popular your website is and how relevant it is to certain keywords. 6. Long-tail keywords. We can't overlook voice search if we want to stand out from the crowd among 2023 SEO trends, and long-tail keywords are the best way to succeed. About 71% of online users prefer voice search queries rather than typing. This is an amazing opportunity for SEO because nowadays, a wide range of mobile devices, smartphones, speakers, and car speakers help you make it through your audience. Optimizing your website for voice search with long-tail keywords that sound natural in the language helps search engines such as Microsoft and Google identify your content more easily. Furthermore, long-tail keywords are the ultimate key to avoiding zero-click searches and establishing a stronger link between search query, search intent, and search results. Are you prepared to capitalize on these trends to their fullest potential? SEO is a dynamic field that is constantly evolving. Consumer needs and preferences are continually changing, which means that we must step out of our comfort zone to effectively communicate our message. The aforementioned details are merely the beginning, as there is much more to explore in the realm of 2023 SEO trends. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for the most up-to-date e-commerce best practices and tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.